Viettiles, the Vietnamese touch through decorative brise blocks in Australia. Each Viettiles brise block is handcrafted in Vietnam, carrying the story of traditional Vietnamese culture to the world. More than just a building material, they are works of art that enhance architectural spaces with light, ventilation, and elegance. Every pattern is carefully crafted, reflecting the skill and creativity of Vietnamese artisans. In Australia, Viettiles brise blocks appear in many modern projects, such as villas, restaurants, and creative spaces. These open-work walls allow natural light and airflow to pass through, creating a comfortable atmosphere while adding a unique artistic touch to the space. Notably, brise blocks also help optimize air circulation and natural lighting, creating a healthy, eco-friendly, and sustainable living environment. Viettiles combines the finesse of Vietnamese craftsmanship with modern architectural styles, making spaces not only beautiful and green, but also rich in cultural identity. They are an ideal choice for projects that want to be contemporary yet close to nature, while preserving the distinctive essence of Vietnamese heritage in every detail.